Yeah.
Are you like a pro at this? Wait, how good are you at
record a
this?
video?
Oh yeah. Wait,
Yeah, I'm
YouTuber?
recording one right now.
Oh, hi viewers.
Yeah, I'm gonna be helping him how to play today. Okay.
Okay. I'm in the video. Yay! Yeah.
Oh, what was that laugh? Oh, yes,
I
go.
don't know. Alright.
I'll get you something. Wait, do you want do you want this? Wait, what should we do actually? Well, should I try and get you some nuts? How much
should...
how much of these have you got?
Those I have, cause I was teased by this other player, but then they left randomly. So
wait,
I don't.
What should
They didn't teach me anything, but I had 6. I have 694 for some reason. I don't know. I didn't do anything. So yeah.
Wait, I know how to get you nuts. I know how to get you some nuts, so you can buy stuff.
You?
So come here, and then just flush the toilet. Flush it.
Alright.
Yeah, now you got money now. So you could do that every day now. So every day when you join, do that so you can get some money and some nuts.
So my dream skin.
What does this say now?
That says 1,100
Not
94.
I mean, I bet you just have a stick by now, but wait, how much purple gems do you have?
I got this guy. What? I can't.
What, a stick? Grab the stick, just grab it and then put it so you can do that.
I got like a little robot guy. Oh wait, no, right here.
Robot?
Huh? Like a little robot guy, a little monkey.
Wait, do you want to go fishing? Do you want to go fishing?
Yeah, I want to go fishing.
Follow me. It's completely free.
I've been searching on my YouTube
channel. After when we go fishing, do you want me to get a dragon backpack? It's actually quite easy. So after when we went fishing, I can help you get a dragon backpack, which I have right now. So guys, if you know the Dragon Balls, you need to collect all of them. So we need to collect all the Dragon Balls to get the dragon backpack. First we're gonna go fishing. I know where all of them are. So what you need to do to get one is just press it, press it until it says free, and then grab it.
Oh, I have it
already. No.
Alright, I'm fishing.
Also, when you're fighting it, you need to hold your back controller, this controller, and then
this button. This button?
This button, your back one.
Okay, I got
you. And when you've got your fish, when the box has got the fish, some of them are really hard though. They're really hard.
I lost it.
Missed. What?
I don't want to go there again. This isn't my first time playing this, but I was trying to find a teacher, like you, and then I accidentally fell down there.
Oh yeah. Now do you see what I'm chasing? It's really scary, isn't it?
Yeah. I got eaten by a monster.
Now do you see the anglerfish?
Yeah, I saw this anglerfish guy.
Hudges VR, he's my cousin. He made a video of it, and we accidentally went down there, and then a really big sea animal ate us. I don't know what it was, but just I don't know. Okay, I can probably tell that this is gonna be a bad.
Oh, one time.
I got a fish off.
Nice.
Oh, there it is. And then when you've got your fish, so then when you see your fish, when you pull out a fish, you need to put your wood on your back and then grab it, And then now you need to put it in this tank to get more coins, to get more rods. And then I don't know, but this, like that fish will just say something. Can you just shut the hell up? Okay. The fish is actually really, really weird. Now let's fish on the other side a little bit further.
My fishing rod is stuck. Well,
Yeah, I'll tell you how to give a dragon backpack. There's like nothing that I need to worry about in it. It's really easy. I mean, you need to find all 7 of them, but it's kind of far, but yeah, because...
So, can I friend you? So when my friend joins this game in like a couple days,
we can friend
you
each other.
teach him? Yay!
Yeah, I'm actually friends with a Animal Company YouTuber. Guys, if you've been watching it, yes. Yeah, I actually met him. It's Wobbly VR. Oh, this is actually so hard. No! Okay. I am so bad I missed it. But I really want to give a rainbow fish. It's like the best. I think it's the best one. It's just really good.
I got one.
Oh yes. So put your rod on your back and then so you can grab it.
Alright, I'm gonna grab it from here.
Put it by your back and then press the A button. Okay?
Alright, wait, this is it.
Or X.
Where's it going?
Okay, that's probably the smallest fish in the company. Like, did you put it in the bit?
No, my fishing rod.
And or you could eat it, but it's not really worth it because it doesn't give you anything.
My fishing rod fell in the water.
Shoot.
No!
Okay, I'm back up. No. Now I remember when I was somebody, guys, this isn't a YouTube video, by the way, guys. But I was playing with
I am a YouTuber. I am a YouTuber.
What?
Yeah.
So I was just playing with somebody random, and then we were just fishing together, and then I literally got sucked in fully into that thing, and I just no, get out.
I got out. Oh my god, I'm so close to my bed.
We're actually a YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm actually a YouTuber. My name is.
I mean, after this video, I can tell you what my YouTube name is, and you can see the video. I'll try and upload it. Okay. Okay, that's.
I'm gonna change my name to my YouTube channel. How do you change your name?
I don't know. The only reason I know how to change your name on, like, I only know how to change your name on mobile. That's all.
This is so. No, I missed it.
But I know it's really hard. Wait, have you even got one fish yet? Yeah, you did. And I'm pretty sure, like, get 10 fishes is one of your quests. So you can get more nuts. You know.
Wait, can we go like? Oh, I watched like Chubby. I watched this guy named Chubby Snail.
Oh yeah, I know him.
He goes like in like.
He has his own cosmetic, doesn't he?
Yeah, my teacher before you, he didn't teach me anything.
But do you remember when Wobbly VR was in one of his videos?
No, I only watched a couple. I watched the one where he kills every monsters.
Yeah, I saw that, but I just didn't watch it. I just didn't really want to.
Okay, and I also saw the one where he every time he no,
I messed it up. Maybe it could have been a good fish, but I was too good.
My dream animal skin. My dream animal skin is like a frog. The frog thingy.
Oh.
I need how much do I need? What? Let me do the math. So,
How much of what do you need?
I need 6.
I'm like decent
Wait.
at maths. Oh, don't you dare do that. Don't you dare flick me off. Yeah,
I didn't mean to do it.
Yo, I haven't got any like rubbish yet. Like not like plastic. Like oh no, metal, dirty metal. That's 600.
We should go like fight some monsters.
I don't know. Wait, do you want to get the like glitched gorilla head?
Yeah.
Yeah, follow me. Wait, you need to get a weapon. I'll get you a weapon. Don't worry. I have a good weapon.
Do you have like the grappler thingy? To be
Oh yeah, I have grappler. It's just
Can you
like
give me one?
you wouldn't really use that at this point to get a glitched monkey head, or glitched gorilla. We stay there. So, 2 lightsabers. So 1 for him, 1 for me.
I have the T-touch.
Oh,
Alright.
take this lightsaber. Take it.
Oh, lightsaber.
Yeah. It will help you kill it'll help you kill the glitch gorilla mimic. The glitch gorilla thing that attacks you. He just attacks
Wait,
you.
does
He
the
attacks
glitch?
Oh! Ah! Wait, that
I'm
done
sorry.
damage to me. How did that do damage to me?
I think I accidentally gave you the T-touch.
Yeah, I made a video in 1 day. So that's why I'm making a video right now. Wait, no, it's up here. It's keeping going up here. Oh, I got a stinky touch. Get past me. Oh, you did. Okay, I'm not gonna try and get you. Okay, and then grab onto here, and then just do this. Grab onto there.
Wait.
Oh, whoa. Okay, so now you need to put your lightsaber on your back. Oh, where did he go? Put your lightsaber on your back. It's on your back, and then get 2 of these.
Okay.
And then, as hard as you can. Well, I didn't really do that hard, but and then go.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's do it together. Yo, we need to get to the very end of this to get it for the heads. Okay. Wait, where did you go? Where are you? I see you. Let's go. Okay. Okay.
Oh my God, I see you.
Yeah, I see you. I saw you. Can get some speed and then go. All right. Go. So we need to get to the very end of this. Yo, go fast. I maybe a little bit. Please just play for like 1 day. So, might be a little bit hard for me. Yeah, I'll just I've been playing like I've started like 1 song, which isn't that long. I'm kind of good, kind of right. I mean, guys, taking forever. Alright. Oh my god! Oh. I'm stuck at a bit. Wait, can I tell you how I talk like far away from you? So you put the watch on your wrist by your mouth and then talk, and then I'll hear you. Now we should know, right? Do that. Oh. Okay. Where are you? Because I'm near the end. I'm not good. Wait, where are you? Hello? Yeah, I'm at the end. Now I have to go back. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. That went. Oh, I'm gonna do this again. So let's see. Where are you? Okay, I'm just gonna use it with one. Where are you? I need to go back. Now when I get to the end of the night, I need to go back to the lobby and see if he's actually still. Oh, did he leave? Oh guys, it's taking okay, we need to get one. No! Just go back up. Oh. Now this should give us a boost. That's kind of boost. No! Okay. How did I boost? I'm just about to go back to the living room. mean, he was really a prototype.
Mentor! Yes! I found you! Finally!
I got here like before you, but you wasn't here, so I went back up to see if
I
you
thought I
get, but
lost you.
so when I got back, if I didn't see you, I was just about to go back to the lobby to see if you were still here, but you are. You listened up here. I would expect you to still be like. I was not expecting you to like be here like right now. Okay. So
I'm
let's look
so
for
happy
it.
I found you.
Where's
I'm so glad you. I'm so glad you didn't hear what I just said. I just said the most cringiest thing.
where so normally it takes like kind of long for it to come, but normally it's like over there, just chilling in the corner.
Oh,
What?
I see. What the hell?
What?
Wait, is this the
No,
rift?
that's not it. No, wait, what?
What is?
No,
Oh,
in there's not it. That just teleports you to the start.
I took 4 minutes. That's kind of funny.
I done it 2 minutes.
How do you get here so fast?
No, I just.
What happened? Are you recording anymore?
Yeah, I am recording. Wait, let me look again. Why do I? No, wait, that's not the like the thing. Wait, stay here. Oh no, that isn't. No, it isn't. Okay. Normally it could spawn here, but it hasn't spawned there, so it must spawn here somewhere.
When does it like spawn?
So where is it? I don't see it. Where is it? It's supposed to be like, oh. Wait, what is it? What is it?
What the heck is this?
Yo, gaming controllers.
Oh, wait, is it the walkie-talkie?
Wait, yo, it is, I'm pretty sure.
Wait, so when we're far away,
Normally
we can talk to each other, right?
Yo, I mean, normally it just spawns somewhere.
Hey, what can I call you? What can I call you?
Well, I don't know.
Okay. Wait, so if you put your mouth up to the
Watch on your
walkie-talkie
wrist. Yeah.
Hello?
Wait, let's go a little bit far from each other. So stay there. I'll go a little bit far from you. Okay. Hello? Yeah, that's how you use it. It's literally supposed to...
I hear like a zapping sound, not the sound of this.
Oh.
I hear like a
feels it's supposed to spawn here.
Wait, do you think the monster's like glitched?
No, it's supposed to always spawn here.
Ow.
Shit, I know. Wait, go back to the spawn. I know another place I would probably definitely have it in.
Okay,
It's the next one's gonna be for arm. Okay.
alright.
So go in here.
Your arm.
Yeah, for arm. Oh, whoa.
Ah. I
Well,
keep
just
missing
try
it.
Just try and jump in it. Oh no.
put
Go.
the thing on my back. Ah!
Okay, let's go. Okay. Here come.
Yeah!
Okay,
Whoa, where are we?
now do this. Go. I'm not like the best at these, but
Yellow?
I'm
You there?
yeah, I'm here. So follow me. Oh,
Holy crap, my...
let's go. Oh.
Do you take photos?
No, you don't. You don't. You don't take full damage.
That's helpful to know.
Okay, follow me. Follow me.
What?
Follow me.
Owen. I'm coming.
Wait, you. Coins. Okay. Let's go.
Come on, please. Where'd he go? Yo, where'd you go?
I went through that bit, like here.
Oh, I see.
Here. Okay. So this is called office. Oh, so this is called office.
Alright.
What?
Oh, I see it. Shall we go in?
Yeah. This is called office, by the way. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Now this should open. Let's go.
It's open.
Okay.
Ah! Whoa,
Come.
this is an echoey place.
Follow the stinky touch. Now and then grab onto this. Just hold onto this and then see look what I do. And then wait. My lightsaber! Oh. Well, let me just put it on my back. So do this.
I'm going up. No.
And then press A when you get cut when you let go, when you want to let go. Use this one because this one is easier.
I'm coming.
And then press A when you're done. Press A.
Oh my god.
No, press. Oh, now there. What? That's
Whoa, what
supposed to be right here.
This is cool.
Wait, go round here, go onto here, and then go back. What? What? Friend each other. Should we friend each other and go into a different codes?
Yes, we should friend each other and go into a different code.
Yeah. But friend each other first.
Oh, sorry.
Friend each other first.
Where the hell am I?
Oh. Here.
I'm stuck.
Okay. By the way, we can keep our lightsabers even though when we go into different light cones.
Yeah, one time,
He comes down fully downstairs.
what,
Okay,
we
guys.
should really get the...
Wait, no,
we should really
this is
get-
the exit. I know where it is, I know.
We should really get the grappler next time, so we can, like, grapple up to this place.
Nah, let's not use a grappler.
Huh?
Come on. Let's go. Where are you? Okay.
I'm coming.
Just go through here and then go. Alright. Okay, friend each other first. I'll give you... Wait, you give me a friend request. Do you know how to?
I love Animal Company. This is
Do you
my
know how to
favorite
give me
game
a
now.
friend request?
Yes,
Yeah,
I know
yeah,
how
I'll
to give you a
accept it. Okay, I'll accept it.
We should. I'm really good with the grappler, and I just started today.
So go
It's
on
really
to lobby, and then press add friends.
Add friend. Oh no!
Done that? You done it?
You my friend?
Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah, you're my friend. I have
Let me
to
just
unfriend
accept it.
I'm unfriending my other mentor because he was really mean to me. Alright, let's go to code
I'll just join you.
229. Alright.
Yeah, I'll just join you. Just join it, and then I'll just join you from the friend machine. Friend thing.
2 W and then 9.
Okay. Pop up. Oh. Okay. Now I am in. Come in.
Oh, you're here.
So let's go into office again.
Wait. Can you get
Oh yeah, I'll get a
canopy?
grappler. I'll get a grappler. I knew you was gonna say
Grappler.
that.
Alright.
Wait, guess how much
And-
nuts I have now?
How much?
I have 800,002. Well, I have 800,002 and 363.
Oh, I can grapple onto you.
Can you? Okay, follow me. Go grapple wood stuff. Like, not like metal stuff though, because you just can't grapple wood.
Ooh! His. Open the door.
Wait a minute. Oh. Wait a minute. Let me just. Okay, let's go. Wait, how do I still have a stinky touch? I'll put your lightsaber on your back
Huh?
and then do the same thing. Put your lightsaber on your back and then do the thing that you just done for the time.
I'm just gonna grapple up. Never mind.
Let's go. No. What? No.
I'm back.
Did they delete it?
I didn't leave.
Wait, it isn't there, the thing. But they might have deleted it. I don't know.
What did you delete?
Well, it's not there. They might have deleted it. I don't know. Even though it hasn't even been that long since they added it. Oh?
I'm coming. Oh, he's not here.
That's where I am.
Go. Oh, I got you.
Yeah. Why is it not here? Should we just like do another day or something like that? So what should we do now?
We should go and fight the cutie bear thingy.
Shooting?
The cutie bears. You know the things where they look cute, but then they turn into like an evil monster?
No. Or should we do something else? Wait,
Yeah.
I said it went downstairs. Wait for me.
Alright. We should go fight those.
Wait, what?
You there?
Wait. I might know. Good. What should we look for the Dragon Balls?
Huh?
Should we look for the Dragon Balls?
Yeah, we should look for the Dragon Balls.
Yeah. Let me show you where. Oh, there's one right there.
Where? Oh, I see it.
Yeah. The orange ball, yeah, that's it.
I have it.
Yeah, and then follow me.
Wait, let's go back. Oh, do we have to go back to spawn?
Now just go to here, and then put it in here.
Put it in there.
I've only been playing for like 4 months.
I started today.
Oh. Okay, now follow me. There's nothing in it, like it's just super easy. Oh,
In this.
just keep on doing it. It doesn't matter if it's dark.
I can't see anything.
Just follow my fart spring.
Okay.
Oh. Wait, this loot. Oh, these work. Oh, sorry.
Ow!
Well, yeah, these work.
Let's just go
Our
back.
lightsabers work, though.
Let's go back up and get like a.
Oh no, I'm going the wrong way. Wait, follow me. Yeah. Okay. Okay, go here.
I'm scared. I don't want this.
There's nothing in it. I swear there's nothing in it. I looked it up and then there's nothing in it. It's literally just like a pipe. Oh. There's a bit where you need to like go up, but yeah. We could use our grappler.
Ah, my sister. Stop.
Oh god, this is the bit where we wait, is it? Yeah, this is the bit where we need to go up. Oh wait, we can't use grapplers. Wait, do this then. Wait. Oh wait.
We should buy like a flashlight.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill you so you can go.
Yeah. Alex, we fart. I'm going to heaven. I'm going to the light.
Okay, guys, let's go. Oh, what's that red line?
Yellow, you there?
I'm not yellow. Wait, what's going on?
I'm talking to you through.
Wait, I'm just gonna.
Ball. I found it.
Wait a minute, I'm just gonna leave and rejoin.
You have to leave?
Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna leave and rejoin. Let's go. So now he's finding the line. I mean, it would have taken quite long, so this might be a quicker way to get back. I mean, it's quite a lame way. Who really cares? Just like get back. How long is this video? 39 minutes. Wow. That's how long I've been on the VR. Oh, not really. Probably a few. I'm back.
I see you.
It was just a more quicker way.
No, can I have a grappler?
Wait,
Can I
did
have
you
a
get
grappler?
another Dragon Ball?
Yeah, I got another Dragon Ball. I need a grappler.
I would get a flashlight.
Well, yeah.
And-
Can you?
Well, I'll see if
get
I
it?
have a flashlight.
Can you get a flashlight and a grappler for me?
Do I have a flashlight? Yeah, I have a galaxy flashlight. Just don't kill me, because this is like a. I think
I
it's like a,
have another.
I think it's like a
Wait.
really good flashlight.
What the heck?
It's a galaxy
I have
one.
a dragon ball in my. I have a dragon ball in my inventory.
Well, let's just go. So you have 2 right now.
But yeah, I have a dragon ball.
Okay. Come with me. Come
Wait.
with me. Let's give a fair Dragon Ball. Let's give a fair Dragon Ball.
How do I get this? Eject item. Yes.
What?
I
there
like
we
the
go.
dragon ball.
Okay, now put it in the bit where I shown you. I'm probably not gonna die because there's nothing that's gonna try and get me. Let's go. Where are you? Hello?
I just want to see what I have in my. I have a flashlight, hook shot,
Taxi!
eject item, and
Wait, did you go and get that one over there?
then let me get my hook
Did you
shot.
get that one over there?
Yeah, I got that one. There's another one. There's another one.
Yeah. So you've got 3 now. Have you
Wait,
got
let me put
3
this
now?
Let me put this one into the clam.
Wait, I'll just get it for you. I'll get this for you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Here you go. Take it. Oh.
No.
Oh, let me get that.
Oh, I got you now.
Let's go. Wait, did you get that one in there? No, you didn't.
Oh,
Okay, come with me. You've got 3 now.
I
haven't you?
no, I don't have 3. That was the same one. All right.
Oh, let's go. Oh wait.
Oh, this is really dark. Oh yeah.
Oh wait. Oh, yeah, this. Oh.
Mix my colors into blue and green.
Do you like football? Because I really like football. I play football.
Oh,
On Saturdays, I do. I do matches on Saturdays, and I do.
I played baseball. It's cool.
Oh, you haven't played football?
I played football. I used to play football at my school, but now it's summer break for me.
Oh yeah, I pretty much play every day.
Yeah, I play every day on the field.
Wait, can you do this? Oh. No. Well, I'll shine you up and then... No, it doesn't work with Grappler, so you'd have to do it. Let me show you. Wait, can you hold my flashlight?
Yes, I can.
Okay, take it. So, wait, flashlight at me. So what you're gonna do is you need to like... Boom, 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 boom. Until you get to the very end, okay?
Okay.
Well, can you also flash the flashlight at me? Oh wait, that's good, that's good.
I can't do this. Ah. What the hell? No.
Wait, flash the flashlight at me. So I can't see. Flash the flashlight. Oh, oh! No, flash the flashlight.
Oh no.
It's at... Wait. Yeah.
I can't flash the flashlight. Yo, come down. Come down.
Oh.
Yo, We should go back and go get
We have
we should
to go
get
now.
back and
I have to go now.
Well-
Go now. So bye.
bye.